Yo dudes, how's it going? New subscribers, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. To existing subscribers, sorry there hasn't been a video for a couple of weeks. I've got a load of stuff coming, but nothing's actually here. So basically, until that happens, I'm kind of struggling, but next week should be when I get everything. So that's the next couple of videos lined up already, essentially. Kind of got bored with doing stuff on the inside of the van. So we're going to do a bit of things on the outside of the van just to make it look a bit better, basically. And this video is a filler video because it's the only thing that I've got that I can do to completion. I've got like parts of other stuff, but I don't have everything that I can do. So fingers crossed this one works out, and we can get this one sorted. Obviously you already know what it is, it's in the title and all that, so I'll go show you. So this is what we've got, basically the side rail and also the proper rail that goes with the side rail as well. It does have a couple of scratches. I'm not even going to pretend like it doesn't, but I only got it for like 50 quid from Germany, so bargain. I also should have the proper fixings and things like that as well to go on, although I'm not 100% sure because I haven't checked. So let's get this on. So firstly I'm just going to remove this, which to my understanding is just clipped in, so it should just pull off. There we go, it's brought the clip with it, so there we go. And now on later model vans, they've got this tab here already. However, if earlier model vans I believe don't have that, so you need to buy like an adapter or like an extra piece to essentially put that there. But now I'm just going to undo the spline screws all the way along the rail and pull the rail off. So that's the old side rail removed. My bolt is actually it's an M5 for my screws, so I've seen some people say M6, but mine's M5, so maybe they change sizes on a later model. But now it's just to fit the one with the holders on. Okay, and so that's the new rail all in. You can see the only difference basically is these tabs alongside. They'll help hold the side rail on in place. I know you can do it just using the front tabs and the rear. Some people say it's okay, some people say it flaps a bit and have to make it like a bodger sticky bit there to stick it down to stop it flapping. Each to their own really, but I just wanted to do it this way just to make sure that it was properly secured. And like I said, I found both the rail and the cover on eBay used. So now let's get the actual aesthetic bit in place. So this is the only bit that I'm unsure whether I've got the right stuff or not. So to fit on here you need spire clips, and then you need a screw to go through and connect to that point. So essentially that and the little tabs along the side is what the actual rail is going to fit to. Okay, so we're a bit later in the day now. The clips that I bought weren't the right size, so I had to go find some. So basically what I did was just went to Halfords, bought a selection, so I didn't have that problem again. I can get it finished today. And then we've got two that are the right size, so they're on there now, ready. And what I need to do is I'll show you the back of the rail, but basically the rail has open bits on one end, so it like slides in that way to lock it into position for all three clips. And then once that's in, that's when I'll come back and tighten these up. There, so essentially like that all the way along. So you just put it and then slide it back and it'll fit into place. So let's get it on. Okay, so I've got them all tied down now. So now what I'm going to do is just check that on the outside it just runs in line with the van. So essentially just making sure that this piece is exactly the same all the way along, which I think it is. And then that's what we've got. And that's that. So I would say, like, if you're nervous about doing anything yourself or anything like that, that's probably one of the easiest things to do. It's literally just like a load of bolts, and then the hardest bit is finding the right clips. So the clips I bought the second time, which found the right ones, was just like the £8 multi-clip pack from Halfords, and the right ones were in there. So yeah, nice and easy, nice and straightforward, makes quite a big difference. Obviously mine's a bit scratched up, but I got mine super cheap on eBay. I see there is people do like painted ones to your van, so like I said earlier in the video, some people do with the rails, and I think that's a reflex. I'll find out, I'll put it in the description, I can't remember off the top of my head. But anyway, thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed it. I should be getting a delivery on Wednesday, which will make a massive difference to the outside of the van. And once I've done that, I'll get it on, and that'll be the next video. So hopefully the next video will be there by sort of next weekend. Anyway, have a good one. I'll see you later. Bye.